Hi guys, I'm Deepak. You're watching me on Tech War. In today's video, I'm going to tell about what are the popular programming languages. If you're looking to start learning programming, then I hope this video will be useful for you. And you can also find the job easily if you are good at any of the programming languages in this list. So, without getting delay, let's get into the video. C# is in the 6th position in this list. Microsoft developed C# in the year 2000. It was built to meet the rising demand for web application that Visual Basic and C++ can't do. Its architecture adopts the best feature of Java and C++. As a result, developers who are well versed in C and C++ can easily shift to C#. In the gaming world, developer prefers C# programming language. This language is particularly robust in building fan-favorite games. Also, the Unity game engine, one of the most popular game engine today, is built using C# and C++. The greatest advantage is its ability to save development time. Here are some of the attributes that constantly helps developers and project owners. Statically typed and easy to read, which takes less debugging time. A huge library that provides high-level functionality compared to other programming languages, such as Java and C++. An extensive memory bank to reduce development time. For fresher, companies are paying 3 to 4 or 4.5 LPA, and for 2 to 3 year experienced candidate, companies are paying 6 to 8.5 LPA. C++ is in 5th position in this list. C++ is fast and strongly typed programming language, which makes it an ideal choice for developing operating system. Mac OS X has large amount written in C++. Most of the softwares from Microsoft like Windows, Microsoft Office, and IDE Visual Studio are also written in C++. C++ is also used to develop graphical user interface based and desktop applications. Most of the applications from Adobe, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and many more applications that are developed using C++. Web browsers needs to be fast in execution. As a people, we do not like to wait for web pages to be loaded. This is why most of the web browsers are developed using C++. Mozilla Firefox is completely developed using C++, and Google's applications like Google Chrome, Google File Systems are partially written in C++. For fresher, companies are paying 3 to 4.5 LPA, and for 2 to 3 year experienced candidate, companies are paying 7 to 9 LPA. PHP is in 4th position in this list. PHP is most widely used open source and general purpose server-side scripting programming language, which is mainly used in web development to create dynamic websites and web applications. PHP can actually work with anything related to server-side scripting, or more popularly known as backend of the web page. For example, PHP can receive data from forms, generate dynamic page content, can work with a database, create sessions, send and receive cookies. There are also many hash functions available in PHP to encrypt users' data, which makes PHP more secure and reliable to be used as a server-side scripting programming language. PHP is not only used to build web apps of many tech giants like Facebook, but it is also used to build content management systems like WordPress, Shopify, WooCommerce, etc. For fresher, companies are paying 3 to 4.5 LPA, and for 2 to 3 year experienced candidate, companies are paying 6.5 LPA to 9 LPA. Java is in 3rd position in this list. Java is so popular because companies across the globe uses Java to build their applications and websites. The reason why Java becomes so popular among the companies is that Java is platform independent. Java sets itself apart from other programming language by being a language. Once it is written, it can be executed in any platforms. In Java, we don't need to write a separate code for Mac, Linux, or Windows. For the development of enterprises applications, Java becomes primary choice because of its great features that matches the needs. In the modern world, most of the project sites is based on Java applications only because it is most scalable, powerful and secure. Java can fulfill all requirements because websites needs too much security. Java has powerful memory management features. It automatically deletes unnecessary memory that increases performance of the large applications. For fresher, companies are paying 4 to 6 LPA, and for 2 to 3 year experienced candidate, companies are paying 7 to 10 LPA. Python is in second position in this list. Python is widely used for data science that helps the user to make work easier. Python can build wide range of different data visualizations such as line and bar graph, pie chart, 3D plots, and histograms. Since Python is a flexible and simple programming language, it's perfect for machine learning and artificial intelligence projects. And there are many packages and libraries available in Python for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python has very simple syntax that makes us to feel like a natural language. It is easy to read and understand the code. This makes it quicker to build the project and faster to improve them. For fresher, companies are paying 4 to 6 LPA, and for 2 to 3 year experienced candidate, companies are paying 8 to 10 LPA. JavaScript is in the first position in this list. JavaScript can be used for both front-end and back-end for creating interactive websites, for building all kind of applications, and for developing games. JavaScript has many popular frameworks that makes our work simpler, like Angular, Vue, React, Node, and so on. JavaScript is a lightweight object-oriented programming language that is used by several websites for scripting. If you're planning to specialize in a front-end or back-end or full-stack development, then JavaScript is a crucial programming language for any web developer. Without JavaScript, we wouldn't be having the dynamic and interactive websites. Nowadays, interactive websites has become a standard user experience for all of us. For fresher, companies are paying 4 to 6 LPA, and for 2 to 3 year experienced candidate, companies are paying 6 to 9 LPA. The salary package which I said is the average salary that the companies are paying. Some top tier companies will even pay more. So guys, we are done with today's video. If you feel this video will be useful to any of your friends or family, please share this video with them. If you like this video, please give a like. If you want to say something, please leave it on the comment section. Subscribe for more videos and thank you for watching.